How to refund Roblox gift cards. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're tackling a frequently asked question. Can you return a Roblox gift card? So the answer is a little complicated, but I'll show you the best way to handle it. So can Roblox gift cards be returned? Roblox gift cards are non-refundable once redeemed. If the code hasn't been used, you might be able to get a refund depending on where you bought it. So where you bought it matters. Refunds depend on the retailer. Here's how you can approach it. You can go to Amazon, Walmart, Target, etc. Contact their customer support directly. And from Robux.com, if you purchased digitally, you can contact your Robux support, but the success is rare if redeemed. Some stores allow returns with a receipt, so you can contact your Robux support rather than that. So go to Robux.com and instead of home, type in support, hit enter in your keyboard, and this will take you to contact information or contact us page. Enter your username or your first name, which is optional. Go ahead and enter the correct form of your email address, which is associated with your account. Now select the device type, and in the help category, simply go ahead and select billing and payments. And in the help subcategory, I made a purchase and didn't receive it. Now in the description box, simply describe your issue and submit your request with full details and the order number. So remember that if you've used the gift card, you will not get any refunds. So keep receipts and digital order emails, and don't fall for scam sites offering gift card refunds. They're fake. So you can use unused cards for other accounts, just don't redeem them until you're sure. So I hope this was helpful. And if this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. Comment below if you have ever gotten a refund or had any issues. I'll try to help. So this was all about it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.